Hi guys, we're here with another unboxing. This is STAYC's 6th, I think, Japanese single, Lover Killer / BEBE Japanese version. So here we have all 8 versions, and actually I don't know what these are called, but we have I think this is the limited, this is the DVD, and this is like the member version. So this time I actually ordered from Neokyo because I already had stuff in my Neokyo like address or whatever, warehouse. And unfortunately, I didn't order from Universal Store this time because I didn't realize that I was still in like the middle of comeback. I was still in comeback mode for The Wind for only one story. So I was like, oh, this isn't out until June. I'll order, June 1st. But I didn't realize that the Universal pre-order period ended like May 23rd. So I couldn't do like the bundle. So this is actually from HMV, and I had to order them individually. So that means for all of these, I had to pay like the 250 yen proxy fee. So this turned out to be quite expensive. So I learned my lesson. Pre-order right away. But let me take the plastic off and then we can get started. And actually, before we do that, let's look at the POBs. So unfortunately, because I had to order them individually, I didn't get a full set. But let's see. Let's see, but let me show you who I got. So these are stickers, so they're not photo cards, they're stickers, and they're slightly smaller than photo card size. But here's Aiza. It looks really washed out. That's kind of better. Here's Jay. Looking like a Makane. Okay. I know that I saw. Here's Sam, who refuses to focus. Oh no, not that. I'm not really sure what's going on with my camera. I'm really getting a new phone later this year. So sorry if it looks weird, but there's Sam. I don't know where I left off. Alright, here's you. Here's Shion. So I didn't get Sumin. So it's just another J and another Seiya. I don't know if I'll go buy Sumin, because I don't know when's the next time I'm gonna do a J-Addy haul. I don't know. Because I'm pretty sure the shipping, even if I choose the slower shipping, would be more expensive than the actual sticker itself. If there was a photo card, maybe. Alright, but let me start with the albums. We're going to start with the DVD version. Alright, I swear, taking off the plastic is going to be longer than the actual video itself. But anyway, so here is the DVD version. So here's the case. So this album had 2 concepts, like a killer and a lover. So this is like the killer concept, or like the dark colors. And like in some other shots, they have weapons, like you saw in the POBs. Here's the front. And they also have this camera concept, which, so did The Wind. Love that. So there's the spine. Here's the back. Let's open it. Alright, so that's the CD. That's the DVD. Oh, I like this color palette. I don't. Okay. Oop. Oh wow, this comes with 3 photo cards. Maybe That's normal, right? Oh, actually, and also one thing I didn't mention is that I got this kind of late. So today is the 14th, so like 10 days later, because Nyokyo is very slow. So scans of this was already out, but I try not to spoil myself. All right, so here are the lyrics. So Lover Killer is like so good. I was saying on Twitter how like this is the first time we got like a very explosive chorus, like their signature explosive chorus since Bubble. Like even like the more like melodic song like GPT had a very calm chorus. Like it just flowed right from, you know, it just flowed. But this is just like explosion. I love it so much. And then like the end between like the bridge, we got like a high note from Shion, and then during the final chorus we got a high note from Yoon. Like this is so good. Is it better than Poppy? I just feel like Poppy is just so iconic. It's hard to really say, but it's up there. I think, you know, Poppy and Lover Killer is in its own league, and then Lit, Meow, and Tell Me Now, you know, they're good. Obviously, they're amazing songs, but like, yeah, Lover Killer and Poppy are like the front runners. And I know technically, Tell Me Now is like the second single, but since this is the new song of the single, I counted it. Anyway, BEBE, I didn't listen to it. I've said previously, usually when there's a Japanese version of a Korean song, I don't listen to the Japanese version because I'll get confused. Also, now this song has like 4 different languages. Oh, I noticed. I don't know if I ever noticed this, but here where they have Korean words, above it they have the Japanese word. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, for the killer version, they have weapons. They've been like glowing lately. I guess they've always been glowing since 2021. 2020? Sorry, since 2020. Oh wow. Flopstan doesn't know their debut date. But I'm just saying, like, I don't know. Like the visuals have been hitting. Oh, do we get both? Oh, we get both. Right, because it's the Lover concept. Okay. Wow. I wonder how old is this? Because this is Shihyun's hair from Metamorphic. Oh, that's another thing. Lover Killer, they've had this since Teddy Bear. Like, they've been holding on to this for forever. So, Rado, what was that comment about the vault being empty? But yeah, when did they film this? Actually, I've only seen the video a couple of times, so I don't remember their hair. Like, the performance video, so I don't remember their hair. So, I don't know if that was recent. It had to be. But yeah, this is definitely Sheen's hair from Metamorphic. Because her hair's been red for months now. Alright, so let's see who we got for our photo cards. First card we got... Oh, yeah, Suman. Next, we have Sam. And then last but not least, we have Jay. Oops, we have Jay. After holding those stickers, these feel like so thick and sturdy. Alright. So next, let's do the limited CD. Alright. Here's the CD. Ever since Lit had 9 versions, so and all the other ones after that had 8. So like every time I'm like I'm missing one, but no, I think I got them all. All right, so here is the limited CD. So here's the OB strip. I think you could use this for something, so have at it, I guess. I don't know what you could do that for. So here's the actual CD. This is the digital cover. I mean, like, they look so good. I'd rather see them instead of a silhouette, but... So here's the spine. Here's the back. Here's the other spine. Oof. Oof. You know, I used to be, like, anti-digipack and prefer jewel case, but, like, something about the jewel case feels like it's gonna disintegrate at any second. Alright, so let's get the booklet out. Alright. Here's the CD, obviously. Looks nice. Alright, so here is the booklet. Alright, so here's the killer concept. The song, bright green. I guess it's only killer. I didn't put this up a J in the pony. Okay, Ariani. Here in Arianka. Here's the... Okay, maybe the silhouette does kind of eat. Okay, so that's that. All right, and let's see who we got for the photo card. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, she looks like a little baby here. Like, complimentary. Oh, but this is the lover concept. Interesting. All right. So now I didn't take off the plastic of the member jewel cases because I got lazy. So now I have to do it. It's just so annoying. So I will be back in a second. Okay. I got a system towards the end. Who would have thought if you use the tab they give you to rip it open, it's easier to open. All right, so here is the membered jewel case. Let's look at the OB strip. So it says her name, zoom in. Here's the inside. So they're all blue this time. But this is the actual case. So this one's kind of like where the back is the CD, which I really like this format actually. I just remembered there's going to be no booklet. So I gotta open this to get the card out. Wait, what? That's not a card. What the heck? But anyway, so here's the 2 songs. So what is this? Okay. I don't know. So if it's this, is it just this? So there's nothing else to collect? Not that I'm fully collecting this era or anything. I'm just keeping my pulls, but it'll be nice to have a complete set of all the same thing. I'll put you here for now. Let me show you closer. So it says Lover Killer, zoom in, and like 3 shots. With the bob. And this is kind of... Okay, we're gonna just do that. And here's a closer look at the CD plate. So pouty. With like the bangs over her eyebrows, it's kind of giving Utada. Alright, so here is Shein. I'm not gonna really go over the OB strips that much going forward because it's the same for everyone. It just has their name down here. Focus. Oh my god. The focus is so bad on this. I have an iPhone 14 and it's definitely showing its age. It's kind of a tangent, but Okay, well. Anyway, you guys don't care. All right, so let's see. So this is Sheins. I really like this actually. Okay, so here's Ida. I like the shot where it's like, you know, it's them taking a picture of themselves. Here's the back, which is a CD plate. Right, how can I gracefully get this out? I don't think there's no way. I'm just gonna... Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I bent it. It'll fly out. So there's Isa. Here's Sayan. Pretty. Here's the back. You know what's kind of giving? It is kind of giving Poppy, like the music video when he had like the little intercuts during the music video. Did I say music video? How many times can I say music video in a sentence? Here's you. Also, let me double check. Yeah, Rado didn't do anything for Lover Killer. So lyrics by someone else. Composed by someone else. I don't know what the original chorus by STAYC means. Did they write it? I don't know. So that is interesting. And it's still a bop. Oh my god, guys, I literally have one job and I failed to do so. I never showed the back. So I never showed Yoon's CD plate. So here it is. This is what I get for doing unboxings at 4 a.m. But I did this last time too. So I don't know. I guess I'm just incompetent. So here it is. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. This is really off topic, but I was wondering for like HYBE's new girl group, is Rado going to be the creative director slash producer for that group too? Oh, this is gorgeous. Because I've just been assuming that, but that may not be the case. Oh, I didn't. So here's Jay. Here's the back. And then here's her sticker thing. Alright, so that is everything. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this and want more STAYC content, give this a thumbs up. Next on the docket for STAYC is the collective haul for BEBE. I know this is very late and it's gonna be not until next month. But that will be the next thing. And they're talking about a comeback. So, you know, stay tuned for that. And in terms of like my channel in general, the next thing is going to be that collective haul for STAYC. It's going to have a little bit of the wind and a little bit of Lucy, but, you know, stay tuned for that. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.